With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, if x1, x2, x3 are roots of x4 minus 1 is equals to 0 and w is a complex cube root of unity. So find the value of omega square minus x1 into omega square minus x2 into omega square minus x3 divided by omega minus x1 into omega minus x2 into omega minus x3. So first of all, the given equation x4 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this equation can be written as x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 because of the identity of a square minus b square is equals to, that is a plus b into a minus b. So now opening again this identity of a square minus b square comes out to be x minus 1 into x plus 1, and this remains same as x square plus 1 is equals to 0. So from that x is equals to 1, because when equating with 0 you have x is equals to 1, and equating with 0 this is x is equals to minus 1, and this comes out to be x square is equals to minus 1. So you can write this as x is equals to plus minus iota. So you can say that x2 is equals to iota and x3 is equals to minus of iota. So putting that value in this, you have omega minus minus 1. That means putting the value of x1, this is x1, minus 1. Now y2, that is omega, this is omega square minus x2, that is iota, omega square minus of minus iota divided by omega minus of minus 1, omega minus iota, and omega minus of minus iota. So this comes out to be omega square plus 1, this is omega square plus 1 multiplied with omega square minus iota into omega square plus iota. Now this comes out to be omega plus 1 into omega minus iota, omega plus iota. So when you multiply omega minus iota into omega plus iota, what is the product? So omega minus iota into omega plus iota will be omega square minus iota, the whole square comes out to omega square plus 1, because the value of iota square is minus 1, so minus minus 1 is nothing but 0. So you'll have this as cancelled. So it comes out to be omega square minus 1 into omega square plus iota divided by omega plus 1. So it comes out to be omega 4 minus iota square divided by omega plus 1. So this comes out to be omega plus iota, omega plus iota, which is nothing but 1. So your answer is 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.